All right, y'all, we back. Today we are going to be changing out the coil packs on my 2014 Mazda 6. The last video y'all saw that I got stranded on the highway, and it was because this coil pack here was bad. I went to whoever sells CarQuest. I don't know if that's Advanced AutoZone. Got a CarQuest coil pack. If you ever need one, that's gonna be the code EBC 1109. Mine is a VIN number 5, and the coil pack they had was the VIN number 6, or whichever one. Evidently, they work across each other. So if they say you need a 5, you got a 6, need a 6, need a 5, whatever. I put it in here. It worked just fine right there on cylinder number 3. So what we're gonna do today is that we're gonna take the CarQuest one off, and we're going to install all 4 TRQs. These are the red ones. They're supposed to be performance. It was only $5 more than the regular one. So let's get these put on. The only thing you're going to need for this is going to be a 8mm. You literally pull off the engine cover, and here goes your coil packs. And all you're going to do literally is put your hand right here, push it down, unplug your coil packs, and then you're gonna take your 8mm. Oh, that thing's tight. You're gonna loosen that bad boy up, just like so. I got put the bolt somewhere where you are not gonna lose it, or drop it down in there. You're gonna take the new coil pack, drop it down in there. Make sure that it is secure on top of, man, that thing is tight. Make sure that it's secure on top of the spark plug. Take your 8mm, tighten it down. Don't ask me what the torque numbers are for this, because I don't have the slightest idea. Take the clip, plug it in, and then repeat that 3 more times. And that is all it takes to install coil packs on your 2014 to probably 2020 Mazda 6, same generation Mazda 3, probably CX3, CX9, all of that. So now let's give it a start, make sure everything's running smooth, and that'll be it. All right, and as you can see and hear, everything is running as smooth as what it should. And I believe these have a 2-year warranty per the listing on Amazon. I will put the warranty or whatever it is in the description, but I believe it is a 2-year warranty through TRQ. So just keep up with the paperwork and everything, and anything goes wrong, you can warranty them. But yeah, if you're having coil pack issues, these are TRQ ones I use right now. I have TRQ coil packs, I have TRQ wheel hubs, and I have TRQ lower control arms. Seems to be a pretty good company. Everything is holding up good so far, so that's why I went with the TRQ coil packs. So yeah, that's all I have for today. Doing this for $111 or whatever it was for all 4 shipped. I can only imagine at the dealership, it'll probably be $800–900. I'm going to assume to have 4 switched out, and probably at a shop as well. I know if I would have bought all 4 from Advanced Auto, it would have been almost $600. So you go to a shop, they probably tack another $200 on top of it, $200–300. You'll probably be looking at probably $800 or $900 if you went to a shop to get all 4 replaced. On top of probably a diagnostics fee as well. So, like everything you do, think, build, enjoy. Peace.